An admin checks Active Directory, users, groups, permissions. Everything appears normal. But behind the scenes, one object has a new owner. This is AD object ownership abuse. In Active Directory, every object has an owner who can control its permissions. Attackers don't always break in. They take ownership. Here's how it works. An attacker gains limited access, then identifies an object they can modify. A user, a group, a resource. They change the ownership of that object. Now they control it. Once they own it, they can change its permissions. Grant themselves higher access or add themselves to privileged groups. Step by step, they escalate privileges. No password stolen, no obvious breach, just ownership, quietly abused. Attackers love this because it blends into normal admin activity and often goes unnoticed without audits. It happens in Active Directory environments, enterprise identity systems, domain-controlled networks, anywhere object ownership exists. Here's how to stay safe. Regularly audit object ownership and permission changes in Active Directory. Restrict who can take ownership of objects. Monitor for unusual changes in ownership and privilege assignments. Because sometimes, who owns the object owns the system. Follow me before hackers follow you.